Explore remarkable quick-build solutions guaranteed to impress. From state-of-the-art tech to clever engineering, these solutions provide fast and effective construction methods that exceed expectations. Back in 2019, the H75 made headlines by breaking the world record for the largest inflatable hangar ever created. With an impressive surface area spanning 6,000 square meters and an internal height reaching 26 meters, this hangar is a behemoth. Designed to accommodate large aircraft like the Airbus A330, the H75 was originally intended for aircraft maintenance purposes. It was specially commissioned in Saudi Arabia, taking into account local conditions such as extreme heat and sandstorms. To tackle these challenges head-on, the hangar comes equipped with an efficient air conditioning system. Additionally, its materials are specifically chosen for their high resistance to UV radiation, ensuring durability and longevity even in harsh environmental conditions. Solar GEM presents a promising solution to a pressing global issue. According to the United Nations, an estimated 670 million people worldwide still lack access to electricity. However, innovations like GEM offer hope in reducing this number significantly by 2030. GEM is essentially a solar power plant condensed into a standard 6-meter shipping container. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring just 30 to 45 minutes. On bright, sunny days, it can generate an impressive 75 kilowatts of power. What's more, GEM stations are designed to operate smoothly in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. When integrated with existing power systems, GEM has the potential to slash electricity costs by up to 60%. This means not only expanding access to electricity, but also making it more affordable for communities in need. The EU is actively addressing the challenge of providing medical care in remote areas, and the Hangar program plays a crucial role in this initiative. This program ensures that even the smallest communities, located far from medical facilities, have access to healthcare professionals. As part of the Hangar program, the UMPEO mobile hospital was developed. UMPEO serves various purposes, ranging from administering coronavirus vaccinations to providing emergency aid in disaster zones. Its versatile design allows it to have a floor space of 77 square meters when deployed. Remarkably, it can also be transported by air using C-160 Transall and C-130 Hercules planes. Moreover, the UMPEO mobile hospital offers flexibility beyond medical care. It can be repurposed as a cafe, yoga room, office, or warehouse, showcasing its adaptability to meet diverse community needs. With the King Dome, you can create a versatile space for various purposes. This dome structure is built to endure extreme temperatures, ranging from 70 to -30 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for diverse climates. Spanning 78.5 square meters and weighing approximately a ton, it offers ample room for your needs. Inside the King Dome, you'll find multiple bedrooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a spacious living area, providing all the comforts of home. Supported by a reinforced frame made of 38mm diameter pipes, the King Dome offers durability and stability. For just $1,500, you can have your own customizable space, ready to adapt to your lifestyle or business needs. Whether it's for living, working, or relaxation, the King Dome offers endless possibilities. Introducing Combat Concrete by ACSG, innovative shelters designed for both civilian and military use. These shelters are remarkably easy to set up, requiring only water and air for installation, resulting in sturdy concrete structures. The military variant of Combat Concrete is built to withstand winds of up to 60 meters per second and small arms fire, as well as the shockwave from a 155mm ammunition dropped just 3 meters away. For added protection, these shelters can be covered with snow, sand, or earth. The CCS 270 version provides a shelter area of 25 square meters, while the CCS 540 version offers double the space at 50 square meters. Deploying these shelters takes just 1 to 2 hours, and they become fully operational within 24 hours. With Combat Concrete, you get reliable protection and peace of mind in any environment. By equipping the Survitec Seahaven cruise ship with 2 Seahaven lifeboats, we ensure the swift evacuation of up to 160 passengers within just 22 minutes during emergencies. The Seahaven stands out as the largest inflatable lifeboat available, offering unparalleled safety measures. Apart from rescuing passengers and crew, these lifeboats provide the capability to reach the shore or other vessels, boasting an impressive 24 hours of autonomy. Each boat can travel at a speed of 11 kilometers per hour. Deploying the lifeboat is incredibly simple, requiring just the push of a button, and the entire process takes a mere 4 minutes. With the Seahaven lifeboats on board, safety and efficiency are ensured, even in the most challenging situations at sea. Hey, did you know that cows produce less milk when they get too hot in the sun? Up to 5 liters less, in fact. To address this issue, some innovative folks came up with Seahaven. Think of it like a beach umbrella, but for cows. The Seahaven 1200 model provides a generous 111.5 square meters of shade, making life much more comfortable for our bovine friends. It's constructed with a polypropylene awning and a sturdy steel frame, weighing in at 1360 kilograms. With Seahaven, cows can stay cool and content, ensuring better milk production and overall well-being. Alltech takes the lead as the sole supplier of tower trailer systems, tailor-made for mobile communications. These towers come in sizes ranging from 9 to 466 meters, offering self-supporting and self-guiding features. What's impressive is their ability to adjust in height effortlessly. These towers are cleverly designed to remain safe, even in strong winds of up to 56 meters per second, without requiring any anchors. Installation is a breeze, needing no extra supports. A big reason behind their reliability lies in the specialized cables, which meet aviation industry standards with an added safety margin.